You're the Jury, Part 2. I'm going to read you a ChatGPT scenario and then give you my arguments, and then you as the jury are going to leave me a comment below and tell me who you'd side for. All right, it's a normal weekday morning and you're riding the city bus on your way to work. You're holding onto the overhead rail, scrolling through your phone when the driver speeds up to make a yellow light. At the last second, they slam the brakes so hard that the tires screech, you're thrown forward, smacking your face into a metal pole, your nose is broken, your glasses are shattered, and there's blood everywhere. The bus was not in an accident. It just stopped suddenly because the driver misjudged the light. All right, the first thing to point out is that a bus driver is called a common carrier, and a common carrier is sort of held to a higher standard of care than a regular driver. Now, as a plaintiff's lawyer reviewing this case, the first thing that catches my eye is that he sped up instead of trying to slow down when the light turned yellow. My argument is going to be that's negligence. As soon as the light turned yellow, if he could safely stop, that's what he should have done. He shouldn't have tried to accelerate and get through the light before it turned red. Another thing we have to look at is whether the injured person was partially at fault for his injuries. We have to see if he was acting reasonable. Under these circumstances, he was holding onto the railing and on his phone. I don't think there would be any juror that would say that that's unreasonable. So if you were on this jury, would you side with the bus driver and say that how he responded was reasonable, or would you side with the injured person and say that, hey, the bus driver should have tried to stop and should not have tried to accelerate through the light? Let me know in the comments below.